Hello students, welcome to my channel Classmate. Today we will discuss about the comparing of fractions. Okay, so let's start. Basically today we will discuss about the comparing of fraction between the like fraction and unlike fractions. Now at first we discuss about the like fractions. What are the like fractions? Those fractions which have the same denominator that are called the like fraction, such that 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, all are the like fractions, as all of these have the same denominator, that is 5. Okay, now which among these four fractions, which one is greater? That is our question. Which one is greater? So the same method is that the fraction which contain the greater numerator, the value of this fraction is greater. Okay, or the fractional value is greater in this fraction. Just you see 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. So 5 is common for all as the same denominator. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4, among these four number, 4 is greater. So what is our method? For the like fraction, the fraction which contain the greater numerator, the value is greater for this fractional number. So 4 by 5 is greater among these 4. Okay, so 4 by 5 come to the first position. Now so there are 3 left, so then 3 by 5 is come to the second position, then 2 by 5 and then 1 by 5. Okay, according to the value from higher to lower of the numerator. Just you take another example. Second example, if we take 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, okay, and you take one more 2 by 7 also. So that all are the like fraction, as the denominator are same, that is 7. Now depending upon this formula, that the fraction which contain the greater numerator, the fractional value is greater for this fraction. So among these four fraction, 5 is greater, then after this 5, 4, then 3, then 2. So if we write down this, then at first 5 by 7 comes, which is greater than 4 by 7, which is greater than 3 by 7, greater than 2 by 7. Okay, so in this way we have to compare for the like fractions. Now it is clear, I think all of you that is clear. Now for the unlike fraction, it is divided in two types. First type is that the fraction which have the same numerator, and that is the second type is different numerator. So at first we discuss about the fraction, unlike fraction which have the same numerator. Okay, so let's take one example of this type of unlike fraction, such that 2 by 5, 2 by 7, 2 by 11, 2 by 13. These four are the unlike fraction, but the numerator are same, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, now where also one simple method is there, you have to remember this method only. Okay, the fraction which have greater denominator, smaller the value of this fractional number. मतलब ये पूरा उल्टा है, like fraction में जो बोले थे उसका पूरा उल्टा. The fraction which have the greater denominator, just you look 5, 7, 11 and 13. 13 is the greater. Okay, and also greatest among these four. So the fractional value of this fraction 2 by 13 is स्मॉलर। अब क्या हुआ, घट गया, जैसे नीचे बढ़ गया इसका वैल्यू घट गया। सो दैट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट among these four. Then the second smallest, that is the fourth position, that is the first smallest number. Then the second smallest number will be 2 by 13, that is the first smallest number, और smaller, first नहीं, smallest तो एक ही होता है, smallest number. Then that is the second, that is the third, and that is the fourth. So we can say that among these four, 2 by 5 is greatest. Okay, so if we write down 2 by 5 is greater than 2 by 7, greater than 2 by 11, greater than 2 by 13. Understood? I repeat it again. For the unlike fraction having the same numerator, the value of the fraction which contain the greater denominator is the smaller in the fractional value. Okay, so I think it is clear. Now you take one more example for this. Just take 3 by 4, 3 by 5, 3 by 7 and 3 by 17. So among these four, which one is greater? Which one is greater? At first you have to remember, जिसका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा होगा उसका वैल्यू सबसे कम होगा. So that is the smallest, then that is smallest, second smallest, third smallest and fourth smallest. That means if we write according to the greatest value, then 3 by 4, then 3 by 5, then 3 by 7, then 3 by 17. Okay. Okay, now we will discuss about the second method for the unlike fraction which have the different numerator. Just you take this type example of this, you take any example such that 3 by 5 comma 7 by 9. There is no similarities in between numerator and also denominator, that are the unlike fraction. So you have to take the process is, at first you take the LCM of both the numerator 5 and 9, and that is 45. Okay, now we have to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. So 3 by 5 we have to convert it so that the denominator will be 45. So we have to multiply 5 into 9 also here with the same number. So 27 by 45 it is, and 7 by 9, so 7 into 5 and 9 into 5, so it is 35 by 45. So these two fractions are 3 by 5 comma 7 by 9. We can write down into the like fraction such that 27 by 45 and the second is 35 by 45. Now in between these two like fraction, as you can see that it was the unlike fraction, we have converted into the like fraction having the both same denominator. Now we know the rule for the like fraction. The fraction which contain the greater numerator, the value is greater in the for this fractional number. That means this one is greater than this. Okay, so we write down that is greater than 27 by 45. Now we take the second example. Okay, and this method is called by taking the LCM, compare the fractional numbers. Okay, so just you take the second method by taking, this method is called by taking LCM, compare fractions. Okay, so you just take the second example, you take anything 2 by 7 and 5 by 11. These two are also unlike fraction, So you take the LCM of the denominator 7 and 11, that is 77. Okay, now we have to convert these two unlike fraction into the like fraction. So you just write down 2 by 7. How we convert into the like fraction? We have to multiply a number with 7 so that we get the denominator same as the LCM. Okay, so we have to 7 into 11 equals to 77. We have to multiply the same number with the numerator. So 2 into 11 equals to 22. Understood? Same 5 by 11, you have to convert 11 into 77. So we have to multiply 7 with 11 equals to 77. We have to multiply the same number 7 with the numerator 5. So we get 35 by 77. Okay, now you can see both these unlike fraction are converted into the like fraction. Now in between these two fraction, you can see that 35 is greater than 22. So 35 by 77 is greater than 22 by 77, which is exactly the main result is 5 by 11 greater than 2 by 7. Understood? In actual, we have converted this one, so we have to write down the actual fraction. Okay, so 5 by 11 is greater than 2 by 7. Now in this process there is a shortcut method that is known as butterfly method. Okay, butterfly method. Okay, so we have to discuss about this method. Just two fraction are given, any unlike fraction, 3 by 5 and 7 by 9. That was the first. So if this type of fraction are given, then what to do? Just you draw the wings of the butterfly like this, and we make this butterfly. Okay, just like its two wings. So now you have to multiply this. Okay, I have to use another ink such that it is red and it is blue. So you have to now cross multiply these two number. 3 into 9, that is 27, and 5 into 7, that is 35. Understood? That is our butterfly method. So 35 indicate the value of this fraction and 27 indicate the value of this fraction. Okay, so that is 27 is the value of 3 by 5 and 35 is the value for the fraction 7 by 9. Now 35 is greater than 27. That means 7 by 9 is greater than 3 by 5. Understood? Okay, let's take one more example. That is very simple method. Okay, you have to apply anywhere when you get the unlike fraction. Just you take second example. 5 by 11, one fraction, and the second fraction is 7 by 13. So you make a butterfly. Okay, now you cross multiply this. 5 and 13 both are present in one wing, so 5 into 13, 65, and 7 into 11, 77. Now 77 represent the value of this fraction 7 by 13, and 65 represent the value of 5 by 11. Now we know that 77 is greater than 65. So 7 by 13 is greater than 5 by 11. Okay, I hope all of you understood it properly, so you practice more and more. Okay, all of you, bye.